In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore iPhone 8 Plus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting the two main ways to restore your iPhone 8 Plus. You will first be able to restore from a backup, so for this you will use iTunes or Finder. This method is ideal if you have a recent backup of your iPhone. It will restore your device to its previous state, including apps, data, contacts, settings, and so on. So if you haven't already, make sure to always back up your iPhone regularly. You will be able to back it up using iTunes for older macOS versions or Finder with the newer macOS versions. Now, if you made a backup previously, prior to you wanting to restore it, then all that you have to do is open iTunes or Finder, choose your iPhone when it appears and it is properly connected to your Mac OS, and then you will be able to choose the option to restore your iPhone from a backup. You will see a list of all the backups that have been created, and you can choose the most recent one. Now follow the on-screen instructions and let the restoration process finish. It may take some time. Alternatively, if you didn't make a prior backup or you just want to erase all data and content, then all that you have to do is perform a factory reset. This method will completely erase all data and settings from your iPhone, returning it to its original state. So first, back up your iPhone if you wish to save some of your data, for example, photos, videos, and so on. And when you are ready to perform a factory reset, go over to Settings, General, and then choose the Reset option. You will find Erase All Content and Settings. You will have to enter your passcode and confirm that you want to do this. You might see some terms or warnings. Make sure that you agree with all of them and then tap on Erase iPhone to confirm. The factory reset will begin being performed, and after this is done, you will be able to set up your iPhone as if it was brand new. I hope I was able to help you on how to restore iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.